Hello, we want to share about keep share about the CNC program course. This is the contour boring machine. The unit cell machine is hold the counter bore. This is the diameter. This chamfer, the depth, the chamfer, the diameter bore, diameter for hole, centering drill, and mill and chamfer. This is the parameter that we want to understand about tool diameter. Then this is a parameter for CNC. This formula, the chamfer cutter, then end mill. Inverse threshold machine unit. The unit is selected machine with a hole with an inverse threshold. We can use this diameter, this is the chamfer, this is the diameter, the depth. This is the tool, chamfer drilling, drill and chamfer page facing. So you can run all through this. Use the drill. The rimming units, rimmings. This is the tool rimming. Rimmers, chamfer, drill, and drill chamfer. So it's the if we drill, for example, if we drill 20, nitty comma 6, we rimmer li nit 19 comma 90, we rimmer 20s. So it keep to processing the bore tool, the rimmer, the drill, the bore, the drill, the chamfer. I think it's not important, but if you work CNC, you understand clearly about it. The end mill tool, the chamfer, the rimmer, the end mill, the drill, the center drill, the depth, the chamfer, the diameter. So we keep the tapping. There are two tapping thread the outside. We cutting edge length from this one point. Start from this one. This is the end. If this is for example 3/4/1/16 thread. This is the quarter. Manual key and then press the key 3 minus 16 and input this order. Therefore, example, there is the we use this 1/8 minus 7 unified thread with fresh the E at slash H menu key and then press 9 minus 2 minus 6 and input order sitting. If we, example, if we do pi straight line, PT 3/8 straight, you press add/H manual key and press key 3 and input in this order. Example 2 PF 1 thread, press key 1 and input this order. So note that the thread, the PT screw or PS screw are set in automatic in mazatrol specific. I think that very important. You can just switch outside the method. This one for the flintering, tapping and data to be set measure pitch. This is the pitch first thread diameter. This tap depth and the chamfer. Tap on the selection type and tool. Enter the data specified in the corresponding to cartilage. For the tap depth, enter the cutting edge length specified in the tool cartilage. Also set the tool data as following. Enter cartilage nominal diameter into tool data item or CT diameter. Enter cartilage thread outside diameter in the tool item diameter. Enter cartilage cutting edge length in the tool data length. This is for tapping unit. You can just like this. So we could study this pick from this point, this point, this pick. This is chamfer. This is from this one to this one measure. From this one tap depth. The chamfer drill tool, the drill. Then the chamfer cutting and the tap. Tool in parentheses are developed for depend on the particular case. Yes, I think that this diameter we can use the following diameter. We can keep the detail. It is boring unit. This is tool. This is chamfer, the depth, the diameter. Tool boring, and mill, drill, and chamfer drill, and chamfer boring. So we keep to learn about this boring also as well. Diameter, chamfer depth, counter drill, the boring, the chamfer boring. And we keep studying about it. Then this boring also, depth, chamfer. There are a lot too. So I mentioned about keeps. Then boring also, chamfer, boring, and mill. The two. I think this is not significant. We keep and the boring also. The back boring tool. So we keep studying about this. This is the mill tool and mill, the chamfer, then the chamfer cutter. The diameter, the tool. 0 tonnes circular milling cycle to tornado milling cycle. That's one. If we use one, use 0, this one, add this one. So circular milling unit within milling cycle. 2 is the B is the tornado. We use this one and mill. And depth, the pitch, then the pitch 1, pitch 2, chamfer diameter. So we keep go on for counter bore and top units. The 2, then the pitch, the top, the depth, and the diameter, the measure. So then the 2 drill, 2 bore, 2 rimming and tapping, boring, tap boring, circular mill and tap and drill hole. We could study about this. We use drill tool like this, chambers. So then has the program, pop speed, pop sear program. Then the tool, we use boring 90 degree, drill 90 degree. Yes, the be press for a high spindle drill. Use this high spindle drill. Use. We can keep this one. The tool we use. So if we use new tapping auto setting with matrix thread, unified thread, pi thread, PT, PS, PF thread, pick top, free diameter, depend on the top thread. Yes. It's not important so much, so we keep studying. If for a unit we use inch or millimeter. So keep studying, tapping, measure, pick. I think it's not important. It's as the same. So thank you for watching. We keep studying. Thank you.